Hello friends, welcome back to Tech Solutions. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to change the color of your mouse pointer to a different color. I'm on Windows 11 and I'll show you a quick setting available in Windows 11 to achieve this different color of your mouse pointer. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and appreciate our hard work. Thank you very much. So let's start and search mouse on taskbar setting and go to the mouse settings. Here, if you scroll down, click on the mouse pointer. Here we have different options available, and the style, like what is the color, the white, and here the black, inverted one, and the color you want for your custom color for your mouse pointer. And this is the setting we can use to change the color of our mouse pointer in Windows 11. And here are the different color options available which you can choose. These are the recommendations, or if you want, you can simply click this choose another color and simply move your this cursor and change the color you want to change it to the cursor color. So that's it. This is how we can change the color of your mouse pointer in Windows 11. Earlier in Windows 10 also, in a specific version of Windows 10, this feature was rolled out, but it was not it's not available for most of the users. And now we are upgraded to Windows 11. This is the way you can do it. And in earlier versions, if you want to change the color, we need a third-party software to change the mouse pointer color, which is made very easy and simple in Windows 11 by Microsoft. So thank you very much friends for watching this video. Please give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and let us know your comments, let us know your feedback in comments, and please subscribe us. Thank you. Take care.